It gives me immense pride and joy to stand before you on this evening as we inaugurate the first International Commonwealth Beach Handball Championship ever to be held in the Maldives. This is truly a historic moment, not only for sporting community, but also for our nation. As we welcome athletes, coaches, officials, and fans from across the Commonwealth to our shores. The Maldives has always believed in power of sport to unite people, to inspire youth, and to create lasting bonds of friendship across the borders. Hosting this championship is a reflection of government's vision and commitment to embrace opportunities to bring more international tournaments to our country. Each event we host adds to a new chapter to our sporting story and strengthens our place within the international sporting family.